So I wanted to show my Halloween project that I have going this year. So you've probably seen in my older videos, I've had tombstones that were obviously homemade. These were, I think, made out of shelving, something like that, just something old that I made. My dad helped me make years ago, and they were kind of getting cracked and the paint was chipping, so I repainted them, and then I dabbed with a sponge some green to make like algae, painted with like an outdoor paint. They're not treated or anything, it's just the wood, which is probably why they chipped in the first place. But this is an outdoor weatherproof paint, both the green and the gray. And then I got from the craft store some fake moss, and with some spray adhesive, kind of getting it to stick to make it look like moss. This is just extra I have to glue. And I'm covering the green. I painted the green because I figured it would give kind of a background to the moss, which you can kind of see it in some spots, and I think it looks better than like if I just like did that and then the moss was just kind of randomly on it. You could still see the gray. So I'm gonna cover all these green areas with the moss, and I will show you all when it's done. I'm not by any means artistic or crafty, but it's just something a little DIY to do because they needed to be fixed up, and I figured why not add a little bit more to them than have them just be gray, make them look a little bit more authentic. So here they are, all finished. And again, I'm not Martha Stewart. As much as I wish I was, I'm not. So this is as good as they're gonna get, but I think they look pretty good. I mean, I didn't use the whole bag that I had, but I got it everywhere that I had painted. The paint was more to kind of mark where I was gonna put it, as well as like give it some background. Like, here you can see, I think this one came out the best because not only did it has like this darker brown and then the light green up top, so it kind of looks more natural. But they all came out pretty good. Again, not perfect, but I think they look really good, and hopefully I won't have to redo them again anytime soon, or if I do, I'll probably just make new ones, or just buy new ones. Probably wouldn't make another set. I did these so long ago, and I was like, I can't throw them out, so let me save them and try and make them look a little better. And then from now on, though, I'll just buy. I did actually buy some new ones this year from Spirit Halloween, and those will also be going out. I'll be doing my graveyard either later today or early next week, because Halloween is approaching fast. But yeah, so these are my DIY restored tombstones. I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you all soon.